Welcome to InfooGo. InfooGo is an advanced knowledge base for individuals and organizations designed around the needs of today's knowledge workers. InfooGo can capture knowledge from multiple sources such as web, email, cloud, social, desktop, and the captured knowledge is available for search through a simple text-based search interface, an advanced search interface, and a custom search interface that interfaces with Google custom search engines. In this particular video, we will focus on the organization of knowledge once it has been captured or while it's being captured in InfooGo. The key unit of organization of knowledge in InfooGo is knowledge spaces, also called InfooGo spaces, and these can be created explicitly or implicitly during the capture process. In this particular example, we will implicitly create a space while we are capturing knowledge, and at the same time, we will use the ability to explicitly create a space and capture knowledge into it. So first, let's do the example of explicitly creating a space. So let's say we wanted to study some condition called long QT, which is a heart-related condition. So we create a space named after that. And this is an example where we explicitly created a space. Now we will do some custom search on our medical Google custom search engine that we captured or that we defined within Google and that we added within InfooGo, and search for long QT type 1 risks associated with swimming, and we get some specific articles related to that. Let's say this is the one that catches our interest and we read it and so on. So this one requires a Medscape login. So for now, we will ignore that because we may not have that capability right now. So let's look at this one, which is in the public domain. So we are going to capture that into the long QT space. So here we say we want to capture that into long QT space, and then we can add a note related to swimming risks of long QT. Now we don't have to add any such note. These notes are not essential for our ability to use or search documents, but this is some extra knowledge annotation we are doing. So we capture that document, and now we can see inside InfooGo, we can first check whether that document was captured. So there it is. And then we can see if that was captured under the long QT search space. Search for it. So there it is. So this is how we organize information at the time of capture. We can also explicitly add documents to search spaces. And the way to do that is that we can either browse for the document or we can search for the document. And either way, so let's say we are browsing for a document and there is some document related to, let's say, diabetes, and we want to, let's say, add it to the science search space. So we select that and we pull the science search space and we say, okay, add this document to the science search space. So that basically shares the document with the science search space. So this is the way we can actually organize documents into one or more knowledge spaces, also interchangeably known as search spaces. And there is no restriction in how many knowledge spaces a single document may be categorized.